In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests into ClickUp. If you work with clients, freelancers, or stakeholders who only need limited access, inviting them as guests keeps your workspace secure and your costs under control, while still letting them collaborate where it matters. Start by signing into your ClickUp workspace. In the interface, open your profile menu near the top area of the app and head into your account settings. From there, look for the People section. This is your central place to view everyone with access to your workspace and to manage invitations. Once you're on the People page, you'll see a search bar. Use it to quickly check whether someone is already in your workspace to avoid sending duplicate invites. This is especially handy for large teams or when multiple people handle onboarding. When you're ready to add someone new, select the option to invite people. You'll be prompted to enter email addresses for the individuals you want to bring in. Type them carefully to ensure the invite reaches the right inbox. Next, choose the access level. To add someone with limited permissions, select Guest. Guests are ideal when you want someone to view or collaborate on specific tasks without seeing everything in your workspace. This helps you maintain privacy and compliance while keeping collaboration simple. After confirming the role as guest, go ahead and send the invite. The recipient will receive an email with a link to join your workspace. If they don't see it right away, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder. Back on the People page, you can monitor the status of pending invitations and, if necessary, resend an invite. It's a good idea to review your workspace's seat usage and permissions periodically so you keep your plan optimized and your access tidy. Once your invites are sent, you can continue working with confidence. Guests only see what you choose to share, so your internal projects and sensitive information remain protected. If you ever need a quick snapshot of who's in your workspace or who's been invited, use the export option on the People page. This lets you download a current list, which is useful for record keeping, audits, or team reviews. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to the People area, searched to avoid duplicates, invited by email, selected the guest role, sent the invite, and exported your list for reference. With these steps, you can onboard collaborators efficiently while maintaining control over your workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.